Faith Lutheran, it's Alex.
Hey Crusaders, it's Addie with the FLNN.
I'm Cameron Crusoe with the FLNN.
Hi, my name is Jordan Jackson from the FLNN.
What's up, Faith Lutheran? I'm Lynn Amick from the FLNN.
Stay beautiful, Faith Lutheran.
Good morning, Faith Lutheran. I'm Joseph Benson.
And I'm Alex Rogers.
Welcome back to this week's broadcast. Alex, I don't know about you, but I'm craving something sweet for this time of year.
Yeah, me too. I was thinking about getting a pumpkin spice latte after school today. Let's take it over to Miley, who's going to tell us all about the amazing fall drinks there are.
Hey Crusaders, I'm Miley from FLNN. 'Tis the season for pumpkin spice and everything nice. With the fall drinks coming out at Dutch Bros and Starbucks, let's go see which Faith students prefer. Do you prefer Starbucks or Dutch Bros fall drinks?
Starbucks.
I don't really drink coffee, so I don't really go to either.
Starbucks.
What's your favorite fall drink from there?
I think it'd be the pumpkin cold brew.
I like pumpkin anything in the fall, but I prefer pumpkin muffins.
What's your favorite fall drink from there?
Iced chai tea with pumpkin cold foam.
The fall drinks coming out at Starbucks and Dutch Bros has everyone looking forward to this fall season. The iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte seems to be the most popular Starbucks drink. Be sure to try it out at your local Starbucks.
What's your favorite fall drink to make?
My favorite fall drink to make is the sweater weather chai.
What fall drink is the most popular?
Our most popular one is our caramel pumpkin brulee. People get it all the time. It's the most requested one.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I prefer Starbucks over Dutch. Hope you guys love the fall season as much as I do. I'm Miley from the FLNN, signing off.
Thanks, Miley. Hey, Alex.
God's plan.
What are you listening
God's
to?
plan. I hold back sometimes, I don't.
Is that some Drizzy Drake I hear? I just heard he had a concert here. Let's go to Addie, who's going to tell us more.
Hey Crusaders, it's Addie with the FLNN. This past weekend, lots of Crusaders went to go see Drake in concert, but how well do they really know their Drake? Today we're going to be quizzing them to see if they know the difference between Drake lyrics and Shakespeare.
Is this a Drake lyric or a Shakespeare quote? If I ever loved you, I'll always love you. That's how I was raised.
Drake.
Correct. Though she be little, she is fierce.
Oh man, that sounds like Drake.
Shakespeare. How could something so familiar be so strange?
Drake.
It is Drake, correct. Nothing can come of nothing.
Shakespeare.
Correct. If I ever loved you, I'll always love you. That's how I was raised.
Drake.
No legacy is as rich as honesty.
Drake.
Shakespeare. If I ever loved you, I will always love you. That's how I was raised.
Drake.
Correct. Though she be little, she is fierce.
Drake.
Shakespeare. Though she be little, she is fierce.
That's Drake.
That's Jake.
Shakespeare.
Looks like we found out who the real fans are. This has been Addie with the FLNN. Back to you in the studio.
Man, I was a certified lover boy, but honestly, never mind. It's her loss.
Wow, Alex, you seem to be in some type of glow-up era. But the way you put that together, you kind of sound like a chemist.
Speaking of chemistry, let's go to Charlotte with this week's science lesson that will blow your mind.
Hey Faith Lutheran, I'm Charlotte Siegel from the FLNN. Today we wanted to try something different, so we're here with Mr. Egger showing us a fun chemistry experiment. Okay, Mr. Egger, explain to us what we'll be doing today.
So what we'll be doing, we'll be taking calcium carbide and reacting with water. So this is actually going to be a two-part reaction. The first part will be the calcium carbide and the water forming an acetylene gas, at which point we will cork it. Should still be a small trace of gas escaping through this pore, so then hopefully we should be able to light it and have a nice explosion. All right, so we want to start off by putting a little bit of water in the beaker. It doesn't take much, but we also don't want it to touch the sides. It also doesn't take a whole lot of calcium carbide to react, so we're just going to put in a couple pieces. All right, now we see fizzing, we see the gas forming. We can tell by the fizzing that there is gas coming out. We want to take a second to let it fill. Five, four, three, two, one. And that's our explosion.
Did you get that on camera?
Now I'll try to light it. See, now I'm scared after what happened with the last one. The cork stayed too tight. Okay, we're gonna do it this time.
Thanks, Charlotte. Well, that's it for this week, Crusaders. Thanks for being here with us. I'm Joseph.
I'm Alex.
God bless.